Alright, this is technical analysis part 1. Why I trade in stock market? Stock market is a flexible market. I can work from anywhere in the world, even when I'm traveling to somewhere. So at that time also I am trading in this market. So it is a very flexible. So I can trade from hotel, home, restaurant, whatever. And no employee required or no rental house, office, no need anything. So we can trade from anywhere, from home, room, from anywhere. So we can trade from this area. And remember another things here, no competitor are there. You can see if you wanna open an hotel or any other shop, there are many competitors, right? You have to sell your product. But in this market, there are no competitor. There is a stock market, you can earn. No competitor. You just learn properly how to trade and you just earn from there. There are no competitor, no product or no inventory. And stock market is a recession proof. And most of the people are thinking here right now it's a coronavirus, it's going on, and all market price are crashing down, right? So when price is falling down or crashing down, so we are earning money. So we can go for sell direction also. So that is why it's a purely recession proof business. Low setup. So if you want to open an like hotel or whatever, so you need a huge amount of money. You have to recruit manpower. Alright. Are there many accessories you have to buy? So in stock market, no need to buy anything. No need to recruit manpower. Alright. And this market is very low risk, but most of the people are telling us this is a very misconception that this stock market is a very risky. Exactly, this is not a risk market. Why? Because we can minimize the risk. We can place our SL, we can minimize our risk. What failure think about successful trader? This is the most important thing. Who people lost their money in this market, they are thinking, right? They think that successful trader can predict the market where likely to go. The truth is that successful trader can only identify high probability entry point. And in this course, I'll show you what is the high probability trade and how we are entering in this market. Another misconception, successful traders have high winning rate. Truth is that successful trader win rate is only 50 to 60% only. Then how they are earning enough money in this market? They are sizing their position accurately, and I'll show you how to size your position. What makes you a profitable trader? A trading system makes you a profitable trader. Now question is that what is trading system? Trading system is a specific rule of entry and exit following consistently, remember, consistently based on methodology that gives a statistical edge called trading system, which is 90% trader don't have. And who people don't have proper trading system, they lost their money in this market. The trading system. In a trading system, you have to develop 3 qualities. Quality number 1, you must have a good trading strategy. Remember, trading strategy and trading system both are different. To become a successful trader, you must develop a trading system. In a trading system, you have to develop 3 qualities. Quality number, trading strategy, which is how 10% to become a successful trader. Most of the people are thinking, hey, I have a good trading strategy, I'll be a profitable trader. That is wrong. trading strategy will help you only 10% to become a successful trader. Another, position sizing. Position sizing help us 30% to become a successful trader. Suppose if you have a good trading strategy, if you don't know how to size your position accurately, you will be not a profitable trader. And next you can see third quality is psychology, which is 60% help to become a successful trader. If you are not able to control your psychology, then you will be not a profitable trader. Now you can see we have some indicator to entry and exit point. You know how to size your position, some calculator are there, but psychology there is no indicator or no any mathematic calculation to control this psychology. But how we will control our psychology? Remember, if you have good trading strategy and you know how to size your position properly, then you can control your psychology. Otherwise, there is no other way to control your psychology. If you have a best trading system, your success trading ratio will be 60 to 70% only, not more than. What is trading strategy? Trading strategy is a statistical probability. Most of the people are thinking that I have a good trading strategy, I will be a successful trader. Remember, trading strategy is a statistical probability only. There is no 100% accuracy. It is a probability only. There are no 100% accurate trading system in the world, and don't try to find out that 100% trading strategy. So that is why I told consistently we have to follow this strategy. Trading strategy are not reliable unless it's not appear in a right location. Means whichever trading strategy you're gonna use, that strategy should be appear in a right place, in a right direction. Then it will work for you. Otherwise, definitely price will go against you. Some trading rules, always remember this is the rules, and let me tell you. First, before you enter in this market, always identify the trend. Is it an uptrend or downtrend or sideways? You just identify. Find the support and resistance. Before you enter in this market, always find out the support and resistance. And this support and resistance called key point. And we are exactly looking for entering this market. And we are applying trading strategy near support and resistance. Downtrend, never buy. Remember, when trend is running in a downtrend, don't buy. Always go for short. Below resistance, never buy. If price is running below the resistance line, don't buy at that time. Uptrend, never sell. When price is running an uptrend, don't sell. Above support, never sell. This is the basic rule of trading.